Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine icon number 8, Transition, for the Google Slide Deck series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Transition, the menu to the right appears. I can now add a slide transition by clicking on the transition type and then selecting my preferred transition type. From there, I want to click Apply to All Slides so that every slide in my slideshow will fade away. I can also add in individual animations for my slide. To do that, I first need to select an object within my slide. From there, I would click Add Animation, and then I can choose to have my text fade in or appear in the slide in a variety of ways by selecting my preferred method. From there, I would have it appear on click, and I can even choose it to move based on the paragraph within the slide presentation. I can also make it appear after the previous object has appeared. For this tutorial, I'm just going to select on click. To best test my slide, what I could do is I could press the play button at the bottom of the menu here, but I prefer to actually present so I can see what it looks like in the presentation mode. So I'm now going to click, and my first set of text appears, as does my second set of text. I can also click again to see that the transition works effortlessly within my slide presentation. And as can be seen, the text simply appeared on the screen without any kind of animation, since I did not make any changes to sample slide 2. In this way, you can make your presentation more visually engaging through the use of transitions and animations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.